Hi, today I'll show you an example of how to find an unknown element. So we have 40 milligrams sample of X2O5. Now 25.2 mg of those are oxygen. What is the atomic mass of X? So now let's write this out. Well, we know we have X2O5. So we have X2O5. Total mass is 40 milligrams and 22.5 milligrams of oxygen. So now let's set up a conversion. We have 22.5 milligrams. Now we need to convert that into grams first. 1 gram of oxygen has 1,000 milligrams. And now we want to go from grams to moles. 1 mole has 16 grams, as we can see from the periodic table. And then finally, for every 5 moles of O, there's 2 moles of X. So what we'll do is over here, put 5 moles of O down here, because this is O up here, so O has to be down here. In the end, they'll cross out. 2 moles of X. For every 5 moles of O, there's 2 moles of X. When we do this, let's use our calculator and find the answer. We have 22.5 times 2 divided by 1,000 times 16 times 5. Now the answer is 5.6. The answer is 5.625 times 10 to the negative 4th. And what's the unit? mg cross out O and O. Most of O and most of O, leaving us with most of X. So that's how much most of X we have. So the next thing we want to do is to subtract 40, our total mass, by the mass of our oxygens. And that gives us 17.5 mg of X. Now the rule to find atomic weight is grams divided by moles. But over here we have milligrams. So first we're going to have to convert that into grams. 17.5 milligrams of X . 1 gram has 1,000. So this will be, 1 gram has 1,000 milligrams. So this will be 17.5 divided by 1,000, which is 0.0175 grams of X. Now we do grams divided by moles. Over here, as you can see, there's 5.625 times 10 to the negative 4th. So we simply divide this by 5.625 times 10 to the negative 4th moles. Grams divided by moles give us our atomic mass. So we do 0.0175 divided by 5.625 e to the negative 4. And that gives us 31.111. Actually 31.1 repeating. And now see what we're given with. We're given with atomic mass. We're looking for atomic mass, and atomic mass on the periodic table would always run to 2 decimal points. So this will be 31.11. And now if it wants to find what is the element of X, this is atomic mass. Atomic mass is also called AMU. 31.11. Now if we need to find what is the element of this, all we have to do is go on the periodic table and see what is 31.1. 31.1 is close to number 15 on the periodic table. Of course, there can be some errors, which is phosphorus. And phosphorus is 30.97, which is super close to 31.1. And so if it wants us to know the element, we will know that the unknown element X is phosphorus. Thank you for watching.